Dude, you're getting the camera all wet, man. What are you doing? Why are you putting... Well, here we are again. Another 2 weeks, and the pre-polish stage is complete. We were actually going to wait 1 week for the pre-polish, but we ended up waiting 2 weeks because of the research I was doing, getting some mixed reviews on how long you should pre-polish, so we just decided to leave it in there for 2 weeks. So now, all we're doing is, once again, waiting for Shawnathon. Okay, turn it off, dude. It'll be...
Where's the button?
Oh. Oh, we gotta grab the polish. No, there isn't. So what do we got here? What are we finishing up? Finishing up the pre-polish, right? Oh God, what does this look like in there? You can watch out for the sludgy.
Help me.
Let me see it. God. Come on, you need to pull that part off. You could get it. Hold the bottom. Fix the towel. Wow, that was so hard to do.
Hey, at least it's soft like last time.
So how are they looking, man? God, look. Here we go.
Oh, there's some small ones. Come to Papa. Some's different when they fall.
Oh, you're gonna lose that rock today. What happened to that rock? Check them out. Take a closer look.
Wait, where's my ear one?
What
Aw,
it
it looks even smaller.
Let me see it.
And it looks like there's holes in them.
Oh, wow.
Guess bugs sneaked in.
He said bugs. I don't know if bugs sneaked in there. But wow, they got some cool looking ones over here. Oh, look at that one, how shiny that one's turning.
Shine it.
And this is only the pre-polish too. Wait till it polishes it up completely. Whoa.
Polish.
There you go, final stage. So I don't know. Let's get those rocks inside the barrel.
Hopefully I don't fill it up too much again.
Well,
Dude, all of these have holes in them.
yeah, some of them we're gonna get holes in them, but they'll be cool after they're done. They'll be all polished and hopefully there'll be some left. So. Yeah. Isn't it much nicer when we polish big rocks like that one? Look how like nice that one looks. Oh, okay, hold on. Right to the top there. Good job. Right there. Good job. Okay, watch the other one. Oh, you cut it. Oh.
We'll put this one in.
Okay. Ew.
My fault. Whoopsie.
Ew. Okay, put the cover on.
Ah!
Okay.
I'm also taking a shower.
There we go.
So, here we go.
There it is.
So, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one.